Hi everyone, today we're going to have a little lesson on how to make your own dishwasher powder for the clothes washing machine. This is what it looks like when it's finished, and I just use 2 teaspoons of this for every wash in my washing machine. It's got 3 simple ingredients: sunlight soap, washing soda, and some cheap nappy sand equivalent. The home brand one is fine. So I start off with the sunlight soap. So this you need to grate. If you've got a friend with a Thermomix, that's really handy, but if you don't, then it'll just take a bit longer. So we grate that up, put that in our bowl. We have 1 cup of washing soda, which also goes into our mix, and then half a cup of the cheap nappy sand equivalent. All we do is mix those together, and then once mixed, you've done. You've got your washing powder that you can use, and it works really well. Another little handy tip is that you can use vinegar as your fabric softener in your washing machine. Surprisingly, the clothes do not come out smelling of vinegar, even though that's what it feels like. Actually, they come out really well, especially if you like hanging them on the washing line in the sun. Okay, that's it. Thank you.